Hi there, my name is Whitney and I'm the crafter behind the blog and YouTube channel Whiskey and Whit, and I also was the one that got the chance to curate the January Expressions Vinyl Mystery Project box for you, and I'm really excited to share today's project to help you get crafting with the contents of your box.
So from the box we are grabbing the purple Plaid pattern HTV as well as the black Caesar Easy Weed and a pillow cover blank. Mine is actually the one from the December box and it's an 18 by 18 pillow cover, so if you haven't used that from your previous box, you can do that now. To get my desired look, I needed to use the Peace, Love, and Crafting SVG file as well as some sliced out offsets. So the black one is a 1/2 inch and the white is 0.25. I put them over the top of each other, align them in the center, and then slice them. If you have any pieces in your offset that you don't want to cut, you can use the contour feature to remove those, and then I'm getting rid of any of the pieces I don't need. That's how I was able to create the border that follows the file on the outside, and I wanted to share that with you in case you've never done that before. Then this is an easy way to do it. With both items selected, I'm making the entire decal 11.5 inches wide, and then we're heading to the cutting machine. Make sure that you put your shiny side down and mirror your cut as you're cutting, and if you have any questions on any of the HTV in the box, be sure to reference your cheat sheet. Once everything's cut, it's time to weed and get it applied to our pillow. So first I'm doing this really pretty purple plaid. This would also be awesome for Easter if you want a more seasonal pillow as well. And I'm removing all of the innards as well as the outside piece on my black Caesar Easy Weed. Then we're going to do a quick pre-press on our pillowcase, and with the offset kind of layered, I'm making sure it's centered. And then I'm going to do my black vinyl first at 305 degrees for 15 seconds, and then the purple on top, just because you don't want to press that multiple times, just so then that way the purple doesn't shrivel up on you. Then your last step is to insert either a pillow you already have or a pillow insert, and this thing is ready to go. I made this specifically for my craft room. I needed some color, especially in January, to brighten it up. And if you do this project or anything else with your January mystery project box, be sure to share it on social media and tag Expressions Vinyl and Whiskey and Whit. Happy crafting!